If you are a coffee lover, then you need to treat yourself to today's tasty dessert. Howard shows us how to make Dreamy Tiramisu in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, it's not surprising, based on how popular coffee is, that the Italian dessert tiramisu, which happens to be laced with coffee and coffee liqueur, shows up on menus everywhere. Although it looks like it would be difficult to make, truth be told, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're sharing a version that's easy and dreamy. We start by combining a generous amount of mascarpone cheese with sugar. We beat it well before folding in half of our whipped heavy cream. This is going to be our filling. At this point, we line the bottom of an 8-inch square baking dish with ladyfingers. I like using the soft ones, which are sponge-like. We drizzle these with a mixture we made by combining instant coffee granules, coffee liqueur, water, and a splash of vanilla. Next, we add a layer of the filling and repeat everything one more time. The remaining whipped cream goes on top before dusting it with some cocoa powder. That's what gives our tiramisu its signature look. Once it's chilled, it's ready to serve. Talk about a showstopper. To get the recipe for our creamy, dreamy tiramisu, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a
Dreamy
coffee lover's way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.